Hello, I'm Dudley Thompson. We're standing by the road called Smith Lane, just across from the True Witness Church of Jesus Christ Apostolic Faith here in the Waltham Gardens community. And the residents are calling for repairs to the roadway here along Smith Lane in the community. The road has been like this for more than 15 years. There's a challenge to vehicular traffic that traverse this part of the community. This is not caused by the recent heavy rains. It's like this for many moons. And they are saying that the roads in communities nearby been repaired recently. And this is a constituency of Prime Minister Andrew Holness. And they're saying why other roads been repaired in the constituency, but this area has been neglected for quite some time. Smith Lane in the Waltham Gardens area. And they're calling on the relevant authorities to do something about the state of this roadway. And down Smith Lane, heading onto Beatrice Crescent, you can see some potholes in the middle of the roadway. What look like craters here along this part of the roadway. Smith Lane as it head down into Beatrice Crescent. And again, the residents are just appealing for some work to be done here along Smith Lane. We said to you earlier, it's been like this for more than 15 years. And again, the open manhole, it could be challenged for motorists. Along Smith Lane. And Hill Avenue as well. It does some repairs also. The same constituency. Other section of Hill Avenue badly need of repairs. Hill Avenue heading into Olympic Way. The potholes along the roadway here. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. For a year end, the aim is to have 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. You see a clean gully caused by the recent rains. No debris here. It runs behind Colleen Court or Olympic Court. The Olympic Gardens community. Very clean indeed. And the gully across behind Bay Farm Villa. You see the raw sewage running into the gully. look at the Olympic Gardens police station, who are now being used. And shortly we look at the one now under construction. The Olympic Gardens police station. The latest look at the Olympic Gardens police station now under construction. The latest update. Latest. Here on the police station, you can see at the corner of Olympic and the Bay Farm Road. Look at the work in progress on the facility. Look at the facility. And the work continues here, Olympic Gardens police station. And there's a concern retaining wall at the Bethel Bible Way Basic School here at Olympic Way corner and the College Road. You can see the wall is leaning to the outside. And if you look on the outside, you see the wall is leaning, tilted, like it can fall at any time or collapse at any time. This part of the wall by the school. There's a crack in the wall. You can see the wall is leaning towards the outside. Wall leaning there from the inside of the school. I'm Dudley Thompson at Olympic Way for Roots FM News and also WDT Media TV. And again, please like, share and subscribe. And again, we are aiming to have 5,000 subscribers by the end of 2020. So again, please like, share and subscribe. And as per usual, thanks in advance.